Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung S20 Plus. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to go in your device settings section. After click over, then you go all the way down, and then you're going to find here something say general management. So you're going to click that. After that, we're going to see here date and time. When you click over there, and now you can see there is no option to set manually date and time. The reason is you can see here something say automatically date and time. So if you want to customize date and time, you need to turn this off. After turn this off, this will give you to manual set date and time. You can see here set and date and time. For example, I'm going to choose here 9 December and I'm click done. Also the set time I'm going to customize, and then I'm going to click here done. Also, if you want to select a time zone, you can easily choose any time zone. Let me go back. Why you need to turn this automatically date and time? This is like you are currently in Riyadh and you went to Dubai. You want to let your phone automatically detect that time. So if your phone going to be connected with the SIM network or GPS, whatever you call, or Wi-Fi, your phone going to be automatically change that country or that particular area time. So we will suggest you to turn this on. So this is how you can easily change date and time in your Samsung S20 Plus. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.